Imagine walking into work one day and finding your desk occupied by a robot. Not just any robot, but one that's already mastered your spreadsheets, scheduled your meetings, and even remembered to water your desk plant. While this might sound like science fiction, automation is reshaping our workplaces faster than ever before. From factory floors to corporate offices, no industry is immune to this technological revolution. But here's what makes this story fascinating. It's not just about machines replacing jobs. It's about how technology is transforming the very nature of work itself. Understanding this transformation isn't just helpful, it's essential for your future. Let's explore how automation is changing our workplace, and more importantly, how you can stay ahead of this wave. The story of automation isn't new. It's been evolving alongside human progress for centuries. From the first mechanical looms to today's artificial intelligence, each era has brought its own transformation. In the 1800s, it was steam power and factories. In the 1900s, assembly lines and computers. And now, artificial intelligence and robotics are leading the charge. For businesses, the numbers tell a compelling story. While a human employee costs roughly $35,000 annually, automated solutions often pay for themselves within just 18 months, while working 24/7 with consistent precision. Let's look at which industries are feeling this shift the most. Manufacturing leads at 75% automation, transportation follows at 60%, healthcare at 45%, and surprisingly, even creative fields are seeing 30% potential for automation. But here's what's fascinating. In each of these industries, automation isn't eliminating work, it's transforming it into something new, something more uniquely human. Let's look at what this means for the workforce. Current research shows that for every 3 jobs automated away, approximately 2 new roles emerge. But here's the crucial part. These new roles often require different skills. Consider this real-world example. When ATMs began replacing bank tellers, something unexpected happened. Banks opened more branches, creating different kinds of jobs, focusing on customer relationships and financial advising. This brings us to the skills gap. While routine tasks are being automated, human skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence are becoming more valuable than ever. Think of it this way. Machines are great at providing answers, but humans excel at asking the right questions and solving unexpected challenges. The economic impact extends beyond individual jobs. Industries embracing automation show an average productivity increase of 40%, while creating new categories of work we couldn't imagine before. Now that we understand the why, let's focus on the how. Think of your skill set like a growing tree. Your current expertise is the trunk, but the branches, they're your future-proof skills that keep expanding. Let's look at these essential branches. First, digital fluency, not just using technology, but understanding its potential. Second, adaptive thinking, solving problems that don't even exist yet. And third, human intelligence, skills like emotional awareness and creative collaboration. The good news? Learning these skills has never been more accessible. Online platforms, micro-credentials, and hands-on projects all provide flexible paths to build your expertise. Your action plan starts with 3 simple steps. First, assess your current role. Which tasks could be automated? Second, identify emerging opportunities in your field. Third, choose one new skill to master in the next 90 days. As we've explored today, automation isn't just changing what we do, it's transforming how we work. Let's recap our key insights. First, automation creates more opportunities than it removes. Second, human skills become more valuable, not less. And third, adaptation is a continuous journey, not a destination. Picture tomorrow's workplace, not as a competition between humans and machines, but as a partnership that brings out the best in both. Where technology handles the routine, leaving us free to innovate, create, and solve the challenges that truly matter. Your next step starts today. Remember, the future of work isn't something that happens to you, it's something that happens through you. Your journey toward tomorrow's workplace begins now. Let's build that future together.